Hey guys, so yesterday I posted a video of trampoline course number 1. Today I'm making the continuation. Trampoline course number 2. It's more just a annoying, makes you want to die course, but who cares at this point? One minute. I broke it. That yes. Yes, I am back here. Eh. What? Okay. That was an unintentional feature. How did I not die? Yeah! No one likes a gravel platform. No one. No! Ah! You've got I swear I'm good at this game. I actually did it that time. Wait, why did I take damage? What? Okay. Come on. First because of the dumb feature I can't make it. Now it's because then it's because I can't jump on time. And now it's because I get cocky. Imagine if you took less damage, the less health you had. That'd be a really cool feature. But would also be broken. Oh! Oh, yeah! What a prickle sticks, dude! Ah! I do need to start working on a system that fix the redstone don't work if you log in and off for that platform. Wee macaroni. Wee. Seriously? Only a minute? Not 2 minutes. No wonder it's a shot. No! I'm telling you, that jump is the hardest jump in this whole thing. Buttons and pressure plates are the worst. They might look cool, but they're the worst. Because they made me lose, specifically that one. Well, I hate color pressure plates now. What? Okay, let's jump here. Just wait to increase our chances. Sprint. No way we're reaching. No! You've gotta be kidding me! You can't! No! No! I need it! I really hate this part. What? I hope you die, parrot. And if one of you are watching this with your parrot, or if someone watching this is a parrot, or something watching this is a parrot, I am very sorry. I was not talking to you. And that's it. Bird. Bird. Well, I have school in 10 minutes. 1 minute, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. Just went out for a bit. Wait. I have hunger! I've been losing so much that I forgot I have hunger. You've got to be freaking kidding me. 1 minute, guys. Well, you might think that's only been a good second. I've actually been gone for 15 minutes. Because my mom kept asking me to do stuff. Okay, if you ever come to my house, if you hear constant screaming, I'm either playing Minecraft and not recording a video, or I'm recording a video while playing Minecraft. Whichever it is, don't disturb me. And I highly doubt you'll be coming to my house, so again. Oh, I don't even care about this one anymore. Listen. What the butter? What? Oh, no. Yeah, you gotta be freaking kidding me! I need to do a lot of better with my life. Come on. Stupid parrot is watching me too. Why are you always watching me? Why can't you... Like you're a bird. Why can't you freaking fly on your own and help me? I know you can lift things that double your weight, saying that this is Minecraft. So why can't you lift me? Eh? Why aren't you helping me with this? If someone does this in like 1 minute, I will genuinely like give them a golden award because I highly doubt it. Seriously? Come on. Why do I have to do this? Why? Okay, great. Okay. Right. I remember I had an anti-cheat. Really? But I basically made it that. Oh, thanks, buddy. The bird actually helped me for one time in its life. It's the worst bird to ever exist. I'm gonna get a co-host for this guy. Okay, time to go get a co-host for this guy. Once a villager fell down here. I killed him. Okay, I have school now.